Welcome back. And I was just gonna show you. I know I haven't uploaded in a while, so I was just gonna show you two of my coding projects that I've done with Python over the past how many ever days it's been since I last uploaded. So yeah, let's just jump into it here. I'll just run this program, and what this program is, it's a Discord bot. I won't leak my token in the code, but yeah. So let's just wait for it to run, and I'll show you some of the commands that it can do. It's using TensorFlow because there's a built-in chatbot feature, which is pretty cool. That my friend helped me to put in the features. I wrote the code and he did the features, so bot is ready. Let's switch over to Discord now. You can see here I'm in a test server. So just to show you some of the commands, you can already see that I was looking at some comics, just testing it out. So yeah, I'll show you what it does. So you put in a comic they want, in this case Big Nate, and in an embed message it shows the comic from today. You can also search, let's say 2013, just random date, and it pulls it up. You can also do this for Calvin and Hobbes. I can't type. Okay, there we go. Yeah, it pulls up the comic from today. You can do it with XKCD, but you have to put in a number because the way he does it is a bit different. So let's say 231. Just a random comic. Yeah, pretty funny, right? Haha, I know. Okay, so the next feature that I want to show you is a stock feature. And while this is loading, because it's a bit slow, it's using the Wi-Finance API, and you can see the code here. It uses a bunch of ticker symbols, and it pulls info from that code, or from the API. So back here, so you can see that Tesla is up 1.93% from yesterday's close, and it's $1546.01. So this works with a bunch of other stocks. Just wait for that. This is Amazon. You can see, yeah. Oh, it's down. That's not good, but the bot works. So that's cool. Let's see what else. There's also a feature. It can do a bunch of server moderation. There's an 8-ball. Oh no, sorry. I want to show you the chat. Chat. I am hungry. It takes a while to queue up the response. Okay, then eat food. So yeah, let me just explain real quick how this works. It basically works. We have the code here, and it trains a model. This is the model right here. Based on the intents that I tell it to. So it tells, greeting, goodbye, age, food, hours, shop, hungry, I'm hungry, whatever. We also have a bunch of history things on it, because we're kind of nerds, but whatever. So it trains a model, puts that in an H5 file, and it saves other classes and words as pickle files. So then when we call it in the Discord application itself, it returns a response, a randomly generated response, and it uses that code to basically recognize patterns. So you don't have to say these words exactly. You can say, hey, see you later, whatever, and it'll just say that. So yeah, it's pretty cool. That's one of the projects, and let me terminate this process. Let me open, and I'll just show you my next project real quick. Email parser. Okay, new window. So this next project is really not that hard. It wasn't really that hard for me to program. You can see, let me just show you how long this took. This took about 350 lines of code, plus another 100 more, and then this was just for tests. So yeah, about 450 lines of code. The email parser, by comparison, was not that long at all. What it does, let me just run it. It uses the IMAP lib library to get my most recent messages from my inbox, and it works like, let me just show you.
Subject is we're serving up stripes for less.
I wonder who that's from. eBay.
From
Okay.
eBay. eBay at reply.ebay.com.
I honestly don't know if I'm even subscribed to eBay, but whatever. It works like answering machine. It basically reads out the most recent message when you run the program. Really simple stuff. And that's about it. Actually, no. I want to show you one more thing that I created up in Fusion 360. Actually, two things. So I'll just cut to when Fusion 360 opens. Alright, so we're finally here in Fusion 360. Let me just open my recent data, and I'll just pull up a project. Oh, we can pull up. Let's do the F1 car first. So let's wait for that to load. Okay. So it loaded, and yeah, here's a basic F1 car, racing car I made in Fusion 360. You need that. But it taught me, it was actually a decent project. While it doesn't look that complex, it taught me like a bunch of the basics of Fusion, elements of design, how to access a bunch of tools. Um, and yeah, and let me open my next project. Okay, so I found my next project, which you can see is a drone, and it was in a different folder, so I am stupid, my bad. So yeah, here's a simple drone that I created. I had to import an FC, which stands for Flight Controller Board, from the web, and I also had to take a camera off from the web. But other than that, yeah, I designed the chassis. I had to um, create the housing for the camera as well as the board, make sure none of the electronics touch the top plate, do a bunch of stuff, and yeah, it was a really cool project to work with. It took a long time, 6 hours, but yeah. So yeah, that's about what I wanted to show you. Four projects in the time span, so learning a lot feels good. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.